This charming 19th century home is for sale. Located in Val-d'Oise, France. It offers 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. This beautiful character residence offers 210 square meters of living space over 3 stories, blending architectural grandeur with timeless charm. Outdoors, you'll enjoy a beautiful 840 square meter multi-level garden adorned with roses, a large terrace, and 3 cellars. The asking price of this charming 19th century home is €565,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.